Hi everyone, this is Team CSNERDS, and in this particular video we're going to present our project's alarm clock mode. Actually, our project has two types of alarm clock, time-based and date-based alarm clocks. The major difference between them is that date-based alarm clock is specialized for setting alarm clock for specified date and time. So you have to give exact date, that means year, day, months, and time, hour and minutes for setting this type of alarm clock, date-based alarm clock. For setting the time-based alarm clock, you have to give only the hour and minutes, and that will be enough. So time-based alarm clock is used for daily basis, which is when hour and minutes matches with the current clock's hour and minutes. Then the alarm clock will be turned on, and every LED will blink. Date-based alarm clock. The rule of thumb is that date-based alarm clock comes handy when setting alarm clock for specified date ahead from current time, maybe for 2 years if you want, or maybe for 2 months. It doesn't matter how long ahead you want to set a date-based alarm clock. It's up to you. You have to only give the date and time and wait, and on that date and time the date-based alarm clock will work. But it doesn't work with time-based alarm clock. Time-based alarm clock at maximum can be set for 24 hours. So for example, if you get current time is 0 hour, then if you want to set alarm clock for 23 hour, then the difference will be the 24 hours. So ahead from 24 hours you can set time-based alarm clock. So time-based alarm clock's capabilities are kind of limited compared to date-based alarm clock. So let's start our program and see how time-based alarm clock. In this particular video, we're gonna show a demonstration of time-based alarm clock. In the later video, we're gonna present the date-based alarm clock. So to go to the alarm clock mode, you have to press this second button in the normal clock mode, and you will be in the selection phase. To choose date-based alarm clock, you have to press this first button here, and to choose the time-based alarm clock, you have to press this second button here. Let's choose not second button, the third button here. This once again. To choose date-based alarm clock, you have to press this first button, and to choose for time-based alarm clock, you have to press this third button. Let's choose it. And we designed time setting for alarm clock in sequential order. That means you have to give values for clock's parameters in step by step. So first you have to give hour for value for hour. To increase the value, actually you have to press this first button here, and it goes up to 23 hours, and after that it will go back to 0 hour, like this. It works in this fashion. So to decrease the value, like for example, to decrease the value, you have to press this third button here, like this, and from 0 hour it goes back to the 23 hour. So it goes in that cyclic fashion. Let's choose. Let's for example, if you don't know the current time, and if you want to give exact time, if you want to check the current time, then you have to go back to the normal mode. Yes. If you want to go back to the normal mode, you can press this second button here, and you will be in the normal mode. And let's see the time. 12:12. Let's give 12:13 for time-based alarm clock, and you can see that. Let's give 12 for hour, and to set final value for any parameters of the clock, then you have to press this first button here. And minutes also works in that fashion. To increase, you have to press this first button. To decrease, you have to press this third button. After 00, it goes to the 59, and after 59, it goes to the 0. So let's give 14 minutes. And you can see at the final step, the alarm clock's time will be displayed on the LCD screen. It's very useful. Let's go back to the normal mode. And you can see we have 1 minute. Let's wait for 1 minute. Okay, actually I'm gonna pause the video for not to take too long. So let's see, it's almost 12-14 minutes. And you can see that the alarm clock is on and all LEDs are blinking, notifying the user that the alarm clock is turned on. And this alarm clock will work for 1 minute. It will blink for 1 minute because only in that case the minute will vary from the current clock's minute. So this match occurs, so the alarm clock will be disabled. So let's wait for a while. You can see in 12-15 minutes the alarm clock will be disabled. You can see alarm clock is disabled, and when you go back to the alarm clock mode, you will be in the initial phase because everything is cleared. The alarm clock is disabled. So in this particular video, we included the time-based alarm clock. In the next videos, we're going to talk about date-based alarm clock.